Let's learn about exponential equations. So exponential equations is equations which has some exponents. So 3 to the power of x is equal to y, or 5 to the power of x plus 3 x is equal to 7, or something like this. Okay. So to solve these kind of equations and to find the value of x, what you have to see is the base number in both the sides are equal. And if the base numbers are equal, you can just equate the indices and then you can solve it. Okay, so let's take an example. For example, 3 to the power of x is equal to 27. Now, in this case, you need to rewrite the equation as 3 to the power of x is equal to 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3. So then the base numbers are the same here. So this is the base number. So those are the same. So then what you can do is like you can write x is equal to 3. So you're equating all the indices and then you get x is equal to 3. Similarly, another question. 27 to the power of x minus 3 is equal to 3 times 9 to the power of x minus 2. Okay, so here what you need to do is you need to simplify all the values and make the base as the same, and then you can simplify it further. So 27 can be written as 3 to the power of 3 to the power of x minus 3, which is equal to 3 times 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2 times x minus 2. So I'm simplifying 9 to the power of x minus 2. This will become 3 to the power of 3 times x minus 3 is equal to 3 to the power of 1 times 3 to the power of 2x minus 4. Now this can be further simplified as 3 to the power of 3x minus 9 is equal to simplify this, you just add it together. So 3 to the power of 2x minus 3. Now the base is the same here. The base is the same. So what you can do is you can equate the indices. So 3x minus 9 is equal to 2x minus 3. And you bring the x to the left side. So 1x will be equal to 6 and x is equal to 6. Okay. Let's try some more questions on these lines. I'll take another simple one here. 2 to the power of x is equal to square root of 2 by 2. So 2 to the power of x is equal to square root of 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 over 2 divided by 2 to the power of 1. And 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 1 over 2 minus 1, which is equal to 2 to the power of minus 1 over 2. Then x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Okay. Another question. 16 to the power of x minus 1 is equal to 2 root 32. So first thing what you have to find out is what base you want to convert this into. So when you see the question, so by practice you will get this, because when you see this question you will understand that the base for this is 2. Okay, so you have to convert all the numbers to the base 2. So 16 can be written as 2 to the power of 4, then times x minus 1, which is equal to 2 times 32 can be written as 2 to the power of 5. Okay, and it is a square root, so it is like square root of 2 to the power of 5. So then this one will become 4x minus 4, and the right side will become 2 times 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 1 over 2. Okay, square root of something is to the power of 1 over 2. So this will become 2 to the power of 4x minus 4, which is equal to 2 times 2 to the power of 5 over 2. And 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1. Then I simplify the right hand side again. So 2 to the power of 7 over 2. I just add 1 and 5 over 2. And then I can write it as 4x minus 4 is equal to 7 over 2. 4x is equal to 7 over 2 plus 4, because I bring it this side. Then 4x is equal to 15 over 2. Then x is equal to 15 over 8. So that's how we find the value of this function. Okay. Now, if you have another question like solve the equation 3 to the power of, okay, let me just write the question first. Solve 3 to the power of 2x minus 12 into 3 to the power of x plus 27 is equal to 0. Okay. Now, when you get a question like this, what you have to see is you have to see whether you can identify some patterns here. So here I see that there is a pattern of 3x here, and here there is a pattern of 3 to the power of 2x. But with the rules of indices, what we know is like 3 to the power of 2x can be written as 3 to the power of x to the power of 2. Okay. So with that information, I can rewrite the equation as 3 to the power of x to the power of 2 minus 12 into 3 to the power of x plus 27 is equal to 0. Now I know that, okay, there is the same thing, and now I can put some value for substitution. So I put y is equal to 3 to the power of x. So whenever there is a pattern, you try for substitution. That is a method in algebra. We have learned it before also. So in this case, it will become y square minus 12y plus 27 is equal to 0. And this you can simplify it by factorizing. So when you factorize this one, you will get y minus 3 and y minus 9. Okay, 9 plus 3 equal to 12 equal to 0. Then y is equal to 3, y is equal to 9. Now this is not over because y is the variable which we introduced. We cannot leave it like this. We have to find the value of x. Solving means find x. You have to find the value which is given, find the variable which is given in the question. So if y is equal to 3, 3 to the power of x is equal to 3. So 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 1 and x is equal to 1. And y is equal to 9 means 3 to the power of x is equal to 3 to the power of 2 and x is equal to 2. So this is how we solve the value. Okay, we will do one more question on this method. So 2 times 2 to the power of x minus 9 into 2 to the power of x plus 8 is equal to 0. Again, as I said before, you have to identify some common one. So here there is a common one. So I'm going to rewrite it as 2 to the power of x times 2 minus 9 into 2 to the power of x plus 8 is equal to 0. And then let y equal to 2 to the power of x. So this will be y square minus 9y plus 8 is equal to 0. And then you factorize it. Y minus 1, y minus 8 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1, y is equal to 8. And as I said, you should not stop with this. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 1. Yes, and 2 to the power of x is equal to 8. Now there's one thing which you have to remember. 1, how will you write 1 in terms of 2? So it's nothing but 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 0. So x is equal to 0. And 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 3. 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3. So x is equal to 3. So x is equal to 0, x is equal to 3. So this is how we solve the equations. Now there's one more variety of this which I would like to explain here. So let me write the question. 2 times 4 to the power of x plus 4 to the power of minus x is equal to 3. Now here, if you are looking for patterns, there is 4 to the power of x and 4 to the power of minus x. So we know that 4 to the power of minus x can be written as 1 by 4 to the power of x. So if I rewrite this equation, 2 times 4 to the power of x plus 1 over 4 to the power of x is equal to 3. Now again we will go with the substitution. So I will substitute it with y equal to 4 to the power of x. The method remains the same. How you simplify is what it matters. So that is substituting it, what you will get, 2y plus 1 by y equal to 3. And then you cross multiply and simplify. So 2y square plus 2y square plus 1 over y is equal to 3. And 2y square plus 1 is equal to 3y. So 2y square minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now you can simplify, you can factorize this where you will get 2y minus 1 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. And then 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. So y is equal to 1 over 2. And here 1 is y equal to 1. Now as I said, we should not stop with y. Y is equal to 4 to the power of x. So I am writing 4 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 2. And here you have to convert it into base of 2. So I will write this as 2 to the power of 2 to the power of x is equal to 1 over 2. 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 1 over 2. 1 over 2 can be written as 2 to the power of minus 1. So 2x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 over 2. Okay. and when you are considering y is equal to 1, 4 to the power of x is equal to 1, so 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 2 to the power of 0 and x is equal to 0. So the solution is x is equal to minus 1 over 2 and x is equal to 0.